Hi, it's Jenny. Yes, this is a voiceover. I never thought I would ever do this because it's gonna be mess as fuck, just saying. And I live by a no script life, so welcome. Teehee. Yeah, so today I made a marker stand and I kind of wanted to share. This is not a tutorial, this is just how I did it. And you can do it too, because it's simple and easy peasy and cheap, and we want cheap marker stand, right? And my old one is crappy, so let's get started. So first, you need a cardboard, what you call it, card, pop, anyway, and you need the scissors and this thing, this cutter, wallpaper and each. Anyway, you also need a gun, a hot glue gun, and some extra glue sticks, just to have it, and probably a ruler, because I'm not a superhuman. We need some squares to be as precise as possible. And now that I have everything I need, I'm going to cut them up, and I'm gonna probably show you the sizes after showing off my fan. I don't know what I'm doing, why I do that. Sorry about that. Yes, this is my pink fan. It's kind of iconic on TikTok. I'm just telling you guys, go follow me on TikTok. Can you please show the sizes that you're gonna cut up the cardboard in, please? I think I'm gonna get ready. I think it's time. Ew, finally! Yes, this is the sizes. Pause it because it's gonna disappear soon. Or I'm gonna put it down in the description box below, so don't worry. Cut. Yes, finished. So I cut it and the sizes, and now I'm just checking that everything is okay, and I'm gonna glue them together. No, I'm not gonna glue them together. I'm going to mark out places that I'm gonna cut. So basically just take in the vertical ones and I mark out like 6 points so I can cut them later. This is the vertical ones. The ones that, and this is the horizontal one. Yeah, the horizontal ones. Are they? They are. And I do the same because you're gonna put them together. I'm just gonna do that to everyone, and I'm gonna show you later how I do the other stuff. And I'm putting them over each other like this, so I don't need to use the ruler every time. It just makes life much easier. Your life could be so much easier if you just use your head sometimes. I wished I used my head. I don't always do, so this time at least I did. And just keep going. Just do every single one of them. And it's time to glue. Oh no, I'm just fixing the cardboard because actually the cardboard that I got here is trash from mom. She was just gonna throw it away, and I was like, no, I want to make a new marker stand. So I took it in, but it was too thin, so I layered them. But after I cut them, they kind of didn't want to stick together, so I just glued them together again. And now I started cutting. So I'm cutting out the straight marks that I made, and I do that to every single one of the that is the horizontal one, right? Or the vertical ones. I'm probably going to see when I put it together. Anyway, you should probably have a cutting mat under it because you don't want to ruin your table while doing this. Or you can use a scissor, then it's no problem, I guess. As you can see, I'm using all my strength because I'm weak as fuck. And don't mind my hands because they're ugly as well. And I'm doing the same thing to the vertical one. No. Yes, they are. I'm just cutting. Let's just cut. Yes. You can do this or you can do it your way. And I guess just do it to every single one. No, don't do it to every single one. Don't do it. You have to keep 2 of them uncut, because they're going to be the sides. You don't want the sides to be cut, right? So you want 2 of them to be cut, and the 2 other are going to like be the walls. So don't cut all 4. And you want to cut this a small piece down as well. So you want to have like 6 cuts, but the last one is going to be a little bit you farther up, because you don't want your markers to touch the table on the bottom. You want them to be a little bit over, so it's easier to actually take your markers out of the stand. And now I'm trying to put them together. I'm kind of stupid because, you know, physically it's not possible to push right like that. You're supposed to make a little bit of a bigger cut so they can slide into each other, but I was kind of too lazy to do that at the very start, and I'm kind of a stubborn person, so I just pushed it. I just push, because I'm stupid. And now I'm less stupid because I'm actually trying to size up the cut a little bit, so it's easier to put it in. You know, humans learn. I learned too. We're all in the same boat. Even this one was hard because the first one actually resized the whole thing, because when you push it too much, it's not gonna be the same because it didn't slide in normally. And oh well, you see, I learned it's bigger, and I used the scissor to help me cutting them off, and voila, this is basically the skeleton of the whole thing. So now we just need to put on the walls, the one that has told you to not cut. You can see the bottom there, it's like left a little bit of space, so the marker won't be touching the table, but it would stay a little bit over ground. I think that's prettier as well. Or you can do it your way, just let them be around. Who cares? Just do what is good for you. This is just how I do it. This is me trying to glue them together, I guess. There's nothing much to say about gluing, to be honest. Like, there's no secret behind it other than struggle, disaster. Oh, and yeah, and as you can see, I'm trying to fit the sides to the straight marks that I did, and now I'm putting on the back, by the way. And since I was pushing too much, and the whole thing actually got resized, the back didn't fit anymore, but I put it on either way because I was too lazy to make a new one. So, but you can resize it, cut out a new back, because it doesn't even take that much time, and then you make a little bit of strand down there so it can cover up the ugliness of the whole thing. And then I push in this shelves, or whatever you call it, because I'm gonna put my various ink there, so I actually don't want them to be 100% separated like that. And here I'm just putting in my markers. I have copics. It's crazy expensive. I don't know why I have it. Everything is expensive. Jesus. And if I buy it in Norway, you believe me, like, just the various ink is like $9. No more. I think it's 10. That's just crazy. And if you're gonna buy like a Copic sketch marker, I think it's, if I don't remember right, it's like $8 or $9 or something like that, and that's crazy. And as you can see, I'm dividing them into more like the lighter pastel colors above, and then the brighter, darker colors underneath. But they're still in like green zone, blue zone, yellow zone, earth zones, pink zones. But I'm just separating them by pastels, light, bright, dark, and my grays down in the corner. And I tried to put in my touch markers as well, but then I realized that, oops, I don't have space for the various ink. So I guess I just had to take them out. I just didn't realize. Why was I so stupid? So after all this putting in and stuff. Yeah, you see, I just took it out because I thought, I have to put them somewhere else. And of course the sheet. And this is the finished stand. Ta-da! Yeah, it's pretty good, sturdy, I guess. And the colors are in. This is, no, they're Spectrum Noir. Oh, I'm so sorry, they're not touch markers. I'm just showing you that, why that thing is there. And fuck, you know what? I was just gonna show you that my markers could fall in the gaps, so that's why I had this cardboard there, but yeah. Helvete. It fell down. Anyway, and this is my face. Trying to cope up. I'm doing really bad. I'm having a breakdown. Don't worry about it. Yeah. But I got it out though. But I was sitting there for a long time, just staring into nothing. So yeah, you got the whole thing. It's pretty good. I'm just touching it. I don't know why I touch it. Forgive me. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I see you next video. Bye.